मतलब ये ऑलमोस्ट ऑर्थोगोनल जैसा टाइप का सम है.
Yeah, if unitary matrix should be a square matrix plus A into conjugate transpose, complex conjugate transpose of A only. If you take a product, you should get identity or unity. Then that matrix can be called as unitary matrix. Understood?
Yes.
So now using this property, we can show that A inverse, we can find A inverse. So first we'll write given matrices. They have given us A equal to half root of 2 minus I into root 2, 0, I root 2, then minus root 2, and again 0, 0, 0, and then 2.
Okay.
So this is the given matrix. Now we have to find A transpose. So let's find A transpose first. That is transpose is denoted as suppose A dash. Then transpose, if you know what we do in transpose, any idea?
Yes. Column to rows and rows to columns convert करने का.
So rows to column, columns to rows. So root 2 minus I into root 2, 0. And I root 2 minus root 2, 0. And then 0, 0, 2. So this is our A transpose we got. Now we have to take conjugate, complex conjugate. Complex conjugate. So that is denoted as A theta. So A theta power theta equals to A transpose and then its conjugate. So wherever you see I, you have to write negative of that. So root 2 as it is, minus I can be written as I, and plus I can be written as minus I. And all other numbers will remain as it is. No changes in that. So we got complex conjugate of A as well as we got transpose. From that only we found complex conjugate. Now we multiply both. So I'm going to multiply both A into A power theta. So half into half is 1 by 4 and these two matrices ka multiplication. So that is, I'm going to write it root 2 I root 2 0, no, root 2 minus I root 2 and then 0. I root 2 minus root 2 0 0 0 2. And A power theta we can write root 2 minus of I root 2 and then 0. I root 2 minus root 2 0 and then 0 0 2. So if you see carefully, both are looking somewhat similar only, correct? Both the matrices. So again we have to do first row into first column will give us first element. First row into second column will give us second element of row. First row into third column will give us third element of first row. So first row into first column we are going to do root 2 into root 2 is 2. Then minus I into I is I square. I square is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So -1 and already negative sign is there. So that is plus. You'll get +2. Yeah. I hope you are getting this. Then 0 into anything is 0. So plus 0. Then second element, √2 into √2 is 2. And then minus I is there.
Yes, sir.
So I into I square. I square and then minus sign is there. I square is -1. Minus gone off.
Yes, sir.
So 2 left. And then minus in √2 into minus √2. That is +2. And then 0. And then third element is 0 into anything is 0.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you are getting this. Now similarly we can take
The second row into all the
yeah,
columns.
correct, you are right. So
Yes.
second row into all the columns. So
I and 2 into 2.
minus I into
2 I.
first row and first column, no?
Yes, sir.
So I into √2.
No, sir.
√2 into
Second row
√2.
into columns. Level 2 I know.
See, first case maybe we did first row into first column. We got 2 plus 2 plus 0. Now first row into
Yes, sir.
second column. So √2 into
2 into
minus of
acres.
I into √2. So that is minus
Sure.
I into 2. And then
Yes, sir.
second to that will be plus 2i. So it is 0. Got it?
No.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
minus 2i plus 2i we get, and then that is what is 0. Got it? Similarly, if you take second row and first column, again you will get same thing. That is 2i and then minus 2i. So again that will be 0. And similarly, the way we got first element, similarly we get the second element of second row. Then third row, that is 0, 0. So that is 0 only. And then again we'll get third row into second column, again 0, 0, 0. And then third row into third column. So 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus 2 to the 4. So that is 1 by 4 bracket 4 0 0, then 0 4 0 0 0 4. If you take 1 by 4 inside, we'll get 1 by 4 inside, then 4 will get divided, no?
Sure, why not 4 common?
Any way you can do. Either you can take common or you can take inside. So we'll get 1 0 0 or 0
Yes.
0 0 1 0.
0 1 0.
So that is an
Full
identity.
identity matrix.
So we got identity
Yes, sir.
matrix. Yeah. Hence,
मतलब इसे कहते हैं unitary matrix.
yeah, this is I. So we can say that A into complex conjugate transpose of A is I.
Theta.
Therefore, we can say A is a unitary matrix. A is unitary. And A inverse
Matrix.
is nothing but complex conjugate. That is A theta. A theta, how much we got? Half. Now we are going to write A theta. So A theta is how much? A theta is half. We have found on left hand side corner, you can see that is half into root 2
Yes, sir.
I root 2
into
0
I root 2 into. Sir.
minus I root 2 root 2 0 and 0 0 2.
2.
So this is the result. Hence, we have found the A inverse. A raised to theta is a inverse. So that is equal to, you can say, A inverse.
Sure.
Any doubt?